Ziggy played guitar, jamming good with Weird and Gilly and the Spiders from Mars. He played it left hand, but made it too far. Became the special man, then we were Ziggy's band. Ziggy really sang, screwed up eyes and screwed down hairdo, like some cat from Japan. He could lick 'em by smiling, he could leave them to hang. They came on so loaded, man, well hung in snow white tan. So where were the spiders while the fly tried to break our bones? Well, just the beer like to guide us. So we bitched about his fans and should we crush his sweet hands. Oh. Ziggy played for time, jiving us that we were voodoo. The kids were just crass, he was the Nas with God-given ass. He took it all too far, but boy could he play guitar. Making love with his ego, Ziggy sucked up into his mind. Like a nurse prescription bungalow behind me. I left the door ajar. I got my vacuum flask full of hot tea and sugar. Left the keys right in my car. Slip kid, second generation, only halfway up the tree. Slip kid, I'm a relation. I'm a soldier at 63. No easy way to be free. Slip kid, keep away, old man, you won't fool me. Knowing your history won't rule me. You might have been a